I've always found that my science and technology students find it easier to understand the subject matter and to retain what they learn when they can see how it links to the real world. It's like they get the point of what they're learning. And now that technology is everywhere and it's changing all the time, it's increasingly important that they know how the world works. So when they leave education, they have at least a basic understanding and are more prepared for the world of work. I found that the Explore IoT kit does a great job at linking classroom-based learning to the world around us. All the projects are based on things that we have and see in our everyday lives, and this connection is so important. It could be complicated, but the kit's great for beginners and kids who are less confident with this type of technology. But at the same time, it's challenging enough and it goes far enough for those who have a good grounding in this technology. My students are creating internet-connected objects and learning skills that they'll need in the outside world. 10 out of 10.